Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing a seaworthy vessel and immediate crew. This matters because ship tier and people determine speed and safety. Buy or claim a ship, then assign roles: one to steer, one to watch maps, and one to man cannons. Once done, load ammo, repair kits, and drop a small rowboat on deck so you can board or escape quickly. Make sure to check wind and day/night. These affect visibility, and they change how opponents engage you. Now you move into active navigation and combat execution. This is where most games are won or lost. Steer toward bounty islands or quests, and adjust sail settings to manage speed versus stealth. When approaching enemies, open with cannon volleys to soften hull, then time your boarding when their HP is low. Approach from windward to control engagement. Communicate actions with voice or quick chat, and toggle ship boosts sparingly so you don't run out when you need them most. Maintaining distance control saves repairs. Complete the run by securing loot and restoring readiness. This ensures your voyage pays off. Once an enemy ship is disabled, board swiftly, grab chests and key items, then retreat to your ship and split loot. Prioritize high-value drops. After combat, repair hull and sails right away using kits and inspect for lingering fires or leaks to avoid sinking. If things go wrong, like being stuck or disabled, respawn at the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.